Hello traders, Marcelo Torres with TradeWise with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. Sorry for the latest note on this analysis, but unfortunately I had some personal duties today, so I wasn't able to do that. But I just did the Portuguese version and now I'm with the English version right away. So I'm not late on the Bitcoin. Okay, with only with both sides, of course. Sorry for that. So let's go forward to see what we have today. Let's hear then that. Okay, here we go. Let's first go for the ride before we start getting into details. Just reminding you guys that this analysis is available on all TradeWise social networks and also on podcasts. Please follow me, support me, and turn on the alert in order to get to know when I post my analysis. Okay, if you appreciate this analysis, just go right down there and just click on like. You will be supporting me and making me happy. Okay, and why not share it with your friends? Also, my disclaimer says that this analysis is just an educational analysis. It's my own opinion, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. Okay, it's not a financial advisory. Okay, here we go. Bitcoin today is on the level 53 for the Fear and Greed Index, and yesterday we were at 55. But due to the moves that we had yesterday on the traditional stock market, Bitcoin also did that move after blasting up. After that news that the banks are considering um, the deposit of bitcoins as the guarantee. So let's see what how that is going to go on. People are saying that this might take Bitcoin way far. So I don't know how we say it in English. I don't know if it's safekeeping for Bitcoin or if it's a custody for Bitcoin. I don't know how you guys say it. In Brazil, we say custodia. Okay, so that's what happened yesterday. It became legal. So look like they're opening some space, some room for the banks to start trading on the Bitcoin market, okay? Which should be good, but I guess it would be bad because if you want to trade, you're going to have a roller coaster to go after because it is not going to be easy since there's not rule on this land, okay? Let's see how the fear and greed chart looks like. As I said yesterday, I thought it wasn't going to go further, and it really didn't. So it just went down. So, and as is today, it is moving on the as the traditional market moves. If the traditional market goes down, it goes a little down. If traditional market go up, it goes a lot up. So I would say that, or it's going to keep where it is, moving sideways, or who knows, trying to go back up to 56 or something like that. Okay, let's keep a keen eye right here. Moving forward, let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. Here we go with the 4-hour chart. I did a channel for you guys here in order for you guys to figure out. Actually, it was supposed what is going on right here. This 4-hour chart is the Brazilian one. So let's go for the 30-minute chart. Wow, those it, I just forgot to delete some of the Portuguese analysis. So here we go. Let's see how the Bitcoin world look like, the cryptocurrency world look like. It looks like it is negative today. Let's check out the Binance Balance to see how it is. Right now, if we go negative, we have 535 pairs against 294. It was smaller than this. So it looked like these pairs are starting to move along. Let's see what we have on the positive or on the long side, we have 51 matches. But if we go with a pair with BTC, we have 14, and most of them already ran the first quarter of the path going up. So you have to jump on the second quarter to see if it's going to go um, up enough and make some profit, okay? Because the bottom reversal was already done a while ago. If we go a pair with USDT, we do have 13 as well. We do have 13, and it's the same thing. It already did the bottom reversal. It is these pairs are already moving up. So this is some of them halfway gone, and the other ones still moving on the first quarter. So this means that there's still room for a few. I would say, like, I don't know, for three, four, maybe four pairs right here. Okay. On the short side, we do have 20 pairs with the USDT, and we have a lot of them having done a top reversal not so long ago. So it is there's an opportunity to jump in and try to go short. For instance, the ANKR with the USDT is already gone 20%. So who is short on that one is very happy. Okay. If we go with the Bitcoin BTC pair, let's see how we look. We have 18 pairs, and we also have some guys going on the first quarter. Yeah, actually, it's already moving to the second quarter, so it's already going down. So you have to run to try to get some space here. We also have the ANKR going on with the almost 12% profit here, going short. So there's something that we can go on. There's a block BLOC already went 33% in, and it is way half down. So who jumped in this one is pretty happy. Moving forward, here we go with the 30-minute chart. And earlier today, before I did not have the chance to post for you guys, I saw this candle, this big red candle going down. So I thought, well, it gave me a room here because it started doing this green candle. So I said, well, I have room here to trace uptrend channel. And I did trace also the red downtrend channel. And I said, if it goes towards the red channel, the red line, sorry, it starts trying to break it, maybe prices will go up. And it did do that. But so sorry I wasn't able to post it at that time. But 30 minutes is something that goes fast, up and down, so it could change at any time. So let's not uh, stay bothered with that. Let's see how it's gonna go on. I'm trying to see if there's a channel going on right here, because then we have the limits, the top and bottom limits. Yes, we can say we have a channel right here, right? See, it looks nice, it looks neat. So let's just play around with it. Okay, here we go. Let's move it shortly down here. Okay, here we go. So we have a channel here. I didn't do this on the Brazilian chart, but here you guys go with an exclusive channel to play on the weekend. So it looks like that the 30 minutes, if it keeps on going up, nice. If it starts challenging here the uptrend channel, then we know that it could go short again. Okay, so we have a reference, and let's keep a keen eye right here. Looking at the chart right now, it's saying that it wants to go up. So it's only having a hard time with the 95.75 resistance line right here. So keep a keen eye here. If it breaks out and goes up, then it means that Houston, we are okay in space. Moving forward, here we go with the 4-hour chart, which is the most important one after the daily chart. And I was able to draw here a uptrend channel as well. So it looks like it's moving forward inside this channel, but we do have lots of signs saying, hey, we might be having some problem. For instance, we do have the relative strength index, the money pressure, and the price spread, also with the MACD and the volume wave, saying that it wants to go down or it's thinking about going down. The yellow ones say that it thinks about going down. The red ones say it is going down. So let's see how that is gonna move, because um the stochastic, which is the guy that traces the move, is saying that it's going up. So let's keep a keen eye here. These these candles are kind of strange. It look like they don't want to lose this uptrend path, but at the same time, it doesn't have enough room to go up. I would say here, let's see. I think we have a symmetrical thing going on. Let's draw it here. It's exclusive again for the English version of this analysis. Okay, I'm late, but it's not. It's last, but it's not late. It's late, but it's not last. See, so you guys have some good stuff. Look, we have one here. Let's move forward to see if we have something else. Um, yes, yes and no, yes and no. Let's see what we can get from here. Uh, Let me get another one and put it right here. Okay, so these are the moves that we can see. Let's see if we can take something out of this, okay? Also, we did have a negative divergence on uh, the histogram of stochastic, histogram of MACD on the volume wave, and the histogram and the line on the price spread. All of them are saying divergency, and I'm asking myself, did this divergency just made it accomplished right here with this downtrend, with this correction here that happened earlier today? Not sure, because it can go deeper. So far, it did a correction of 1.3%. Not a, not a big deal. So that's why I'm asking. I'm still going to keep it here for a while. And I'm going to have to clean down here to take some stuff out to clear this chart. But let's see how it's going to go on. Maybe I'll do tomorrow. I'll do some analysis to see if we have what we can consider, if it's still going to go down or it's going to keep on moving up. Okay. On the daily chart, you can see that it went way down, touched a support line at 94.43, and now it is trying to move back up and touch the 96.17 resistance line, which is having a hard time to pass through. And if it does, it might go higher up to 100% of Fibonacci at 97.80. Whoa, this would be a very cool pump. Okay. So far, we still have positive signs on the BTC price for the daily chart. We still have, but I wouldn't say that it is a strong sign. The indicator that show you green bar on the right side of the indicator, you can see all of them are showing green, but it doesn't give you a view of something that is strong. And other ones, for instance, relative strength index and spread price, are still yellow. They don't know if they want to keep on going up. So we might have to wait the day this day trade to close and see how it is going to open the next day. Okay, that happens on my case. It happens on UTC -3, so at 9 p.m. So let's see how that is gonna happen. So far, I would say that even though the daily chart says that it has positive sign, I'm still questioning if it is strong enough. All right, especially because the volume itself is already touching the upper band of the volume wave, suggesting that if there's not enough strength, it should start reverting. So Let's see how that is going to go on. I'm going to have to wait for the next bar, daily bar, to make sure that we are going to move to one side or another. All right. To end this, we are on the weekly chart, and this is just to show that the indicators are starting to get narrow. They are having hard time to move. And in the meantime, the volume is fading. So keep a keen eye here as well. Okay. So this is my best guess. Let's wait for the next bar, daily bar, to see what is Bitcoin all about for the weekend. All right. That is my best guess for now. Um, the traditional stock market, it is starting to go deep again since we are heading to the end of the day. And let me see, Brazil. Okay, yeah, zero. Yeah, let's see, because it did the same thing as it did like 3 days ago. That it started going up, went way down, and then closed kind of in a negative, but not that bad. That's what it's showing. That's going to happen today. Okay. So that's it, folks. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give me your like down here, and I'll see if tomorrow I can provide you guys with a new analysis with further details of my opinion about the direction for Bitcoin. All right. Thank you very much. And now it is showtime. Take care.